Otherwise, we have to go for HEPS.
When it is when though this one
Hips, clear hips. It's a clear case of hips.
with one Mr. Wall, we will not.
Happy with that conclusion, by the way. Because I'm looking for that conclusion 4 months.
What I tell you, if we go for the next level decision, we have to review it thoroughly. Because what we have reviewed it, I am not sure, because I am looking at fresh mind. I feel that I'm not able to give the justice to this scenario because you guys are familiar, so you know you are confident. But to me, if you ask me, I'm not very confident.
Okay, I'll just answer. Yani, if you can share the.
No, don't justify me. I'm okay.
No, there is a meeting, a minister meeting with ADNOC team, by the way.
I trust you. I trust you.
Thank you.
But I would say that when you go for next decision to go for hips, it has to be reviewed thoroughly. Because probably we are going like this. We have to open like this.
Exactly. Yeah. I agree with you.
Okay, guys. So what else? So my friend, I need from your help. I need one table for IPS, MPS, MP21, BAB, old tag number and new tag number. I will put in the report so that tomorrow you will not confuse and people will not ask questions to you. Okay? Guys, we are waiting for 10 minutes and then we'll wrap up the scope. And I will prepare the draft report to you, send to you for your first comments, and basis of the first comment, we'll update the report.
Perfect.
It's because the tag is different, so Chairman asked for list of the tags, of existing tags with against all tags, all and then to fit in the report.
So online guys, are you available? Mayur as well as everyone?
Yeah, we are available.
Yes. Okay, guys, so thank you very much. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, we are closing the day.
Thank you.
Yep. Here, for the other trunk lines, other field, like we are getting from NAB and then BAB, where the set points is within the pipeline project, right?
Yes, no issue with the others except for ASAP and one in FPN. And regarding FPN, we have agreed to reduce set point, and this will resolve the issue.
You can note it down. Since in the HAZOP recommendation, they put all the trunk lines, CDS, P5, everything, right?
Exactly.
Here in the till, we have taken only one case. Only
This typical.
And this is a common one.
And I have put in the remark.
Common one downstream, the commingling of all the sources. So this shutdown or HEPS, whatever, will be a common.
If we provide, now I tell you, if you provide here, yes, it is common, everything. If you try to modify anything on ASAP lane, you have one existing SDV there, right?
Exactly.
And then 3 transmitter existing. If you try